You will find many videos on YouTube about glass effect, but nobody would have explained the correct method and process to you. But today I will tell you how glass effect is created, how you can create your own unique effect. So keep staying with us till the end for this interesting learning. Today I am going to show you this type of effect. I am going to tell you how this effect is created on different shapes. First, you make a shape. You can also make a rectangle. I may be using the shape for creativity. Now we will take a copy of the image and place it on top, because all the effects will be applied on it. Now we will go to the filter and choose the filter gallery. Then you can see that I already have the line effect. You may not have it. If you want to know how this effect is made, I will tell you. For this, first you will have to take a blank page. It is good if the size of the page is equal to the size of the image. This will fit well with the image. Now we will use the rectangle tool to create the shape. Make sure that the fill color should be in gradient color, otherwise it will be a little difficult. You will fill the whole page by copying and pasting like this. After filling it, you have to save it. Now we come to the image again. First, we will copy the image, place it on top, then go to Filter, and then go to Filter Gallery. You will first see this frosted effect. Now you will see an icon next to the texture option. By moving the mouse over it, the option to load texture like this will appear. You have to click on it. After clicking, it will ask you for the file, so you simply have to open the saved file. Then this effect will be added here. You can also choose different styles. From here, you can adjust the scaling and smoothness a little. Then press OK. Now we will put a clipping mask on top of the shape. So our glass effect is ready, but it lacks some depth. So for this, we will go to the lower FX option and choose the blending option. Here we will add stock. You keep the size as per your requirement, then select the inner glow option so that some effect is added. I will add a drop shadow to give it a little more depth. Now you can see how good it looks than before. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Then give a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any problem, then you can tell me in the comment. I read everyone's comments. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.